In this session, we're still busy with our ledger, and we're looking at allocations, and I'm going to explain the extended ledger allocation option. This option will allow you to break up a transaction that was already posted to the ledger. I've got two examples here. I've got an amount here that I've posted under cash book postings for advertising. I can now break up this amount and say, well, the marketing department spent X amount on advertising, whereas the HR department spent X amount to advertise for a new post, for instance. So if you double click here, see, I've got this transaction that I created. In my case, it was under cash book postings. If I click on extended allocations, you will see I have already broken it up into two sections. I've clicked on enable free type, and I typed in marketing and I specified the amount. I've typed in HR and I specified an amount. Once you've entered these amounts, just make sure that you've allocated the whole amount so that there's zero under the remainder option. Then you can click on accept. If you close here, I just want to show you another example. I've got 850 Rand under donations and fines. I can go to extended allocations, and here I can now create different allocations. I can, for instance, go and say, I'll enable free type, I'll say amount, and I'll say for the SPCA, we've got given that. Then I can say, I also had of the remainder of the amount. And then I can click on accept. Now I want to show you all the different reports we have. If you click on report options and preview, you've got the ledger transactions you can preview. You've got the extended allocations that's completed. You also have incompleted, but what I want to do is I want to show you the extended allocation analysis. Here you can now select annual or for a selected period. I'll click on accept. You can specify different levels. I'll leave mine as is and click on accept. Now here you can see the breakup. If I had more allocations, you would have seen more breakups. It gives you a total and a grand total. So you can now individually go and have a look at all these different allocations. Okay, if we look at advertising, I'll open it there for you, and we'll go to preview. We'll do the same here. You can see the breakup there. And that concludes looking at the extended ledger allocation option.